Yes, I mentioned that MRR and PLR products are the best way in selling digital products because it's less hassle. I will explain to you what is it and why it's less hassle. But before that, I want you to understand what is digital product selling first. So digital product selling is a selling business, a normal selling business, but instead of having a physical product or yung mga product na nahahawakan mo, you are now selling digital products wherein you cannot touch them, but you can use them using your electronic devices. Examples of these are ebooks, PDFs, digital templates, softwares, games, such as like that. So for you to have your digital products in selling, you have to create your own digital products. This is number one option. You will make, okay, gagawa ka ng sarili mo. Pangalawa naman is to resell digital products. So you don't need to create from scratch. So there are products that the creator or yung gumawa is bibigyan ka na ng right for you to resell that digital product. So imagine it's the easiest way, the fastest way, and very neat, right? So for now, let's return to MRR and PLR, which is really the purpose of this video. MRR means master resale rights, and the creator gives you a right to resell the product, while PLR is private label rights, which also the creator allows you to resell it, but not all the time, which you will understand on my next table I'll be showing. But before I will show the table of the different permits or the rights that the creator will provide you when you're going to sell a digital product, I mean, you're going to purchase a digital product. I want you to imagine yourself as the first person is the creator, and then the second one is you. Bumili ka ng product from the creator, and then of course your purpose is to sell digital products. So the third person are your customers. So these are the different rights provided by the creator. So for the read-only or personal use rights, for of course you cannot resell, hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-edit. For the RR or the resale rights, yes, you can resell it. So when you buy from the creator, pwede mo ring ibenta yung product but you cannot edit it. For the MR or master resale rights, you have the right to resell it. So pwede mo siyang ibenta ulit but you cannot edit it. And yung customer na bibili naman ng product mo is may right din siya na i-resell din yon, so on and so forth, but you cannot edit it. For the PLR or private label rights, so it depends on the creator kung bibigyan ka na ng right na pwede mo siyang i-resell. But the thing here is, pwede mo siyang i-edit or i-rebrand it yourself. You can change the name. That's why it's have the private label rights. You can change the name, and then the customer that will buy the product can also probably resell it, depends on the creator's right, and then can also edit it. That's all. Bye!